Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we'll solve one numerical problem related to uniform flow. The given question is water flow through a boundary channel where f equals 0.03, whose bed width and side slope coefficient are 4.6 m and 1.5 m respectively. Find the mean velocity if the flow depth is 90 cm and bed slope is 0.02%. So let's start the solution from given data where f equals 0.03, b equals 4.6 meter, z equals 1.5 meter, y equals 0.9 meter, and slope s is equal to 0.02% is equal to 0.002. Now we have to find the mean velocity. Equals what? Mean velocity v equals c root over rs, where r equals a by p and c equals 8g by f root over. So let's find out a. Area equals b y plus y square, z equals the value of b is 4.6 into y is 0.9 plus 0.9 square times of 1.5. On solving this, the result will be 5.355 meter square. And for the perimeter, p equals b plus 2y root over 1 plus z square, where b equals 4.6 plus 2, y equals 0.9 root over 1 plus the value of z is 1.5 whole square. On solving this, the result will be 7.845 meter. Now the ratio of r is equals a by p equals 5.355 is divided 7.845 equals 0.683. Now we have to calculate the mean velocity. Mean velocity can be calculated as using the formula b equals c root over rs, where the c is change is constant and it can be given as 8g by f whole root. Let's calculate the change is constant, where c equals 8 into 9.81 is divided by the value of c is given as 0.3 in our question. On solving this, the result will be 51.15. Now placing the value of c, r and s on this above equation, that is v equals c means 51.15 root over the value of r is already calculated 0.683 and the s is given as 2% in our question, that is 2% means 0.0002. so on solving this, the result will be 0.597 meter per second. So as per the given data, the mean velocity will be 0.597. So for today we end up with this much. We'll come again with one new video. Till then, keep on watching our channel and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.